Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable volume slider on eSound app. So first of all, launch up an eSound application. You can see over here eSound application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So to enable the volume slider, simply tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply find the option for player and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the player interface. You'll be able to find the options like sleep timer, music videos, crossfade, etc. over here. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for volume slider. If you enable it, you'll be able to see the volume slider in the player screen. So in order to enable it, simply toggle the button right next to the option volume slider. Now you can see over here it has been enabled. So simply go back. Now you'll be able to see the volume slider in the player interface. So like this, you'll be able to enable volume slider. So that is how you enable volume slider on eSound app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.